Every JavaScript object starts its life somewhere, and that somewhere is the constructor. But what exactly does it do? A constructor is a special method that runs automatically when you create a new instance of a class using the new keyword. You don't call it directly. JavaScript calls it for you the moment you write new followed by the class name. This automatic execution is what makes constructors so powerful for object initialization. The primary job of a constructor is to initialize the object's properties and set up its initial state. Inside the constructor, you use this keyword to refer to the instance being created. When you write this .name or this .age, you're attaching properties directly to the new object. Without a constructor, your objects would start with no properties at all. Constructors accept parameters just like regular functions, letting you customize each instance. When you call new user with arguments, those values flow into the constructor parameters. This means every object you create can have different initial values while following the same class blueprint. Two important rules to remember. First, each class can have only one constructor method. If you try to define two, JavaScript throws an error. Second, inside the constructor, this keyword always refers to the brand new instance being created, not the class itself. So remember, the constructor is your object's initialization method, automatically called with new, setting up state using this and accepting parameters to customize each instance. Now you're ready to build better classes. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.